So tell me a scam that has been so normalized, people don't even know that it's a scam. Your interest rates. A lot of people don't know, including yourself, that the interest rate that you are currently paying on your car, your home, and or credit cards, you might be paying in excess of what your state usury law allows. Most of you have never even heard of usury law. So I'm going to walk you guys through it. So we're going to go over to Google, handy dandy Google, and we're going to talk about, well, not really talk about, I'm going to show you what you can do to find out what your state usury law is. Now, let me share screen here. So let's say I'm using New York, for example. New York State usury law. All right, let me drink some coconut water, get a little hydration going. All right. So usury is defined as the lending of money at an exorbitant interest rate. In New York, the maximum rate of interest on a loan is 16% per annum. Now, if a lender charges more than that, it may be liable for civil usury. Interest that is higher than 25% constitutes criminal usury. Now, this is for the state of New York. You need to look for the state that you're in. So this usury law letter below is if you're paying too much in interest rate and you want to know what your state allows, the maximum amount you want to put in. If you're in Florida, Florida state usury law. If you're in Georgia, Georgia state usury law. If you're in Tennessee, Tennessee state. Y'all get the picture. So find out what your state usury law is. And once you find out what your state usury law is, use the letter below to recoup any excess interest rates that you may have paid to this creditor. And if they are not in compliance, then now you can sue them for civil usury violations or criminal usury law violations. All right. So don't just sit there and have all your money going into interest rate because of the information that you don't know. The information is here. Stop paying high interest rates when you can get those monies back using the cap on your state usury law. All right. See you in the next video.